Let's first talk about how they are synthesized. They come from lipids, from phospholipids, such a lipid bilayer that you know very well of. And then an enzyme is going to cut out of it arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid. In this enzyme is phospholipase A2. And then we have a couple of enzymes working on the arachidonic acid. And so number one, there are the COX enzymes. There are two isoforms, COX-1 and COX-2. And they make us the prostanoids. And as we said, what belongs to the prostanoids are famous prostaglandins and the thromboxane, which has very important vascular effects. And then we have LOX. This is lipoxygenase, making us leukotrienes. So this just as a brief overview of synthesis of the eicosanoids. I also want to mention that these different enzymes, COX-1 and COX-2, are differently expressed. So that actually stands for cyclooxygenase. Cyclooxygenase, COX. And there's one that is kind of expressed, constitutively expressed, so all the time there. And then COX-2 is induced when we have injury, when we have inflammation, and plays an important role in the vascular effects of prostaglandins, as we're going to see in a second. There are many different prostaglandins. So there's prostaglandin E2, there's prostaglandin F2, there's prostacyclin, there's prostaglandin D2. So many different prostaglandins. We are going to mainly focus on prostacyclin. And then thromboxane, we have this thromboxane A2, which is an important one. So those two are going to play an important role as it relates to their vascular effects.